Hello, my name is Susan, and on behalf of the Colorado Department of Revenue, it's my pleasure to walk you through this video introduction on how to register a new user on the Colorado SUTS website. Let's get started. The Colorado Department of Revenue aims to make complex tax information easier to understand and to enable accurate and on-time tax filings. To that end, we encourage using Revenue Online and other online services like the SUTS website that we'll be using today. This is what we'll cover: accessing the SUTS website, registering as a new user, and then reviewing the resources that are available to you from the Colorado Department of Revenue. You can pause and rewind this video at any time to review the information provided. In your web browser, type in Colorado.gov/revenue/SUTS. Welcome to the Colorado Sales and Use Tax System, otherwise known as SUTS. Click on the green Go button under New User. First, you're going to add your email address. You'll then be sent a confirmation email that provides a link for you to complete your registration process. Click on the link in the email, and this is where you can validate your email, set your password, and complete your profile. Once you have completed the form, be sure to check the box under Terms and then click Continue to the business profile. You would then select an individual business registering for the first time. Put in your business name, your business type, your role, and then whether the business is located inside or outside Colorado. For this example, we are going to choose inside Colorado. Then click the Continue button. You'll then be asked to read the Colorado SUTS registration process and then click the orange button. This brings you to the registration form. There are several boxes that need to be completed. Any box containing a red asterisk is required. After putting in the legal name of the company, your business physical location, and the mailing address, scroll down to complete the rest of the form. You will put in your name as the person remitting the information and the address, along with a phone number. You will then place the date, the first day that you started business in the state of Colorado. Your federal employer identification number. If you already have a Colorado account number, select Yes. If you don't and need to apply for one, select No. It will then ask you if you have additional locations. For this example, we are selecting No. You would put in your name, your title, and then hit the orange Submit button. A successful submission will show green confirmation messages along with your activation code. If you need to apply for a Colorado account number, you can do so in the SUTS portal from this screen. Otherwise, you can proceed back to the Business Center, where you can explore additional information under Quick Links and see any open tasks that are required for you to perform. For additional video instructions, such as how to apply for a Colorado account number using the SUTS website, please refer to Tax.Colorado.gov/video-library. Even though this video was created to simplify the process of registering a new user on the Colorado Department of Revenue SUTS website, we know it can seem overwhelming at times. So here are some tools and resources to help you. My name is Susan, and on behalf of the Colorado Department of Revenue, Taxation Division, Education and Training, thank you for watching this video, and thank you for being tax compliant.